Every year we operate our winter service from the 1st of October to the end of April. Our activities are designed to help motorists continue on their journey safely. The planning for this period is a year-round task in terms of resources, processes and equipment. This is all part of our adverse weather planning, which includes flooding, high winds, as well as the traditional winter weather. To help keep everyone on the move, we have upgraded our fleet of gritters in South Wales. These are strategically based at 11 depots located across the network, like this one in Corriton, Cardiff, where we are today. At the start of each winter, we aim to have over 20,000 tonnes of salt stored in our barns. We use this to treat approximately 600 kilometres of salting routes in the strategic road network in South Wales. Typically, 83 nights of spreading salt are carried out during the 212-day winter season.
At the Traffic Management Centre, our control room staff use road cameras, traffic flow data and road weather forecasts to identify the best time to send our gritters out, working closely with our traffic officers, maintenance partners and the emergency services. During cold weather, the staff in the control room decide which areas will be gritted, reduce speed limits and set signs on the network warning drivers to take care. Even when roads have been gritted, it's still important that people drive to conditions. They dispatch traffic officers as quickly as possible to assist the public if there's an incident or breakdown on the network. All this allows us to update the public with the latest travel conditions and helps keep motorists on the move over winter.
Our role is to keep the motorway and trunk roads open to ensure everyone reaches their destination safely and with minimal delay. In winter, we're likely to assist with more breakdowns, which cause a lot of disruption if conditions are difficult. Motorists can prepare for winter by performing simple vehicle checks before setting off, using an easy acronym of FLOWER, which stands for fuel, lights, oil, water, electrics and rubber.